some of the topics that I have offered in the past for other companies and corporations, including Outschool. First, facilitating an inclusive classroom for online learning. Now, this is a great topic to cover, especially if you do have some new teachers in your organization, or if maybe you're hoping to qualify for the ACE badges there on Outschool, which stands for Agency, Community, and Expertise. This type of training can qualify you for the agency pillar of the Outschool ACE framework. Now, another one that I have offered in the past for Outschool, very popular topic, is unschooling families. How different unschooling families are from homeschooling families. So especially at the beginning of pandemic, many families, kind of forced into this role of school at home. But what did that mean? What did it look like? And for many families who are unschooling, they really want the teachers there on Outschool and other online facilities to understand what they're looking for, because unschooling families are very different from traditional homeschooling families and from families that do public school at home. So this can be a really great opportunity if you're looking to expand your business into the homeschooling community, and especially in the unschooling family communities. Another topic that was really popular on Outschool, I taught this one also for the Educator Adventure, which was an event back in 2021 on Outschool. This was teaching movement-based classes on Outschool. This one is really focused a lot on how your setup should look, what kind of cameras, what kind of lights, what kind of headsets do you want to maybe look into purchasing? What about copyright and being able to share videos of dances or movements? What kind of music can you play in your class? How do you share performances? Things like that. So we talk a lot about the safety policies on Outschool. If your company has different policies on safety or things that you want your teacher to know about, I am more than happy to incorporate those specific policies or reminders into that and kind of customize the lesson for your business. Another option here is all about flex classes. I have a flex class on Outschool that is my #1 bestseller. It is my most consistent source of income on Outschool and often my most profitable class year-round. I almost always have a minimum of 3 to 5 students in this class. It's very rare for me to get less than 3, and most of the time I book 12 to 15. So I would love to share with you what my tips are for a successful flex class. This is a presentation that I offered again for the Outschool Adventure, which was a really great experience. I was able to share this with thousands of teachers on Outschool, and I'd love to share that with you too. Most recently, I've been working with another company, another Outschool organization booked me for some professional development resources, and they're actually booking me on a regular weekly basis. So this is something that you can do as well, either, just a one-time thing, or you can book me for a regular schedule of events. One of the topics that I started off with was online instructional strategies, but I'm also going to be focusing more on specific tools. For example, using Nearpod, using GimKit, how to use Padlet, different other things too, like inclusivity. In fact, that's something that I really like to talk about throughout the year with my students too. So some of the other topics that I offer might be seasonal or might be really focused on different heritage months. For example, Black History Month, I focus a lot on Afrofuturism or African American art. I teach art history, so I really like focusing on specific minorities and marginalized groups and artists that are maybe lesser known. And I also really love teaching modern art, so this is something that I'm really passionate about, and so I like to pass that on. And if your teachers are really looking to kind of up their game, especially history teachers, art teachers, if they're really looking for more resources, I'm able to put together specific topics that you're interested in learning. Just check with me first and see if that's something I can do. Another fun opportunity that I've been able to enjoy on Outschool was participating and volunteering for their GameCon events, including hosting this cosplay design and creation workshop where hundreds of our students came to learn all about cosplay. I teach sewing and costume making on Outschool, and so I was able to present this to the students. So if you have students that are also interested in attending, I do have experience in teaching large groups of both teachers and learners together. Another topic that I have really loved teaching to a mixed group of teachers and learners is my dance history class. This started on Outschool teaching dance history to young learners, and it's something that I'm passionate about as a dance educator. I don't just want my students to learn the steps, but I really want them to appreciate the heritage that comes along with these movements and with these dance styles. So I started teaching this with students on Outschool, but then I began to pitch this class to dance studio owners as what Outschool would call as a buyout. And so these studios were able to book me and have 20 students, 30 students on their dance team, usually some kind of competitive team, and they were booking this as a team building activity. So if that's something that you're interested in, not just with dance, but maybe a variety of topics, specifically with your teachers and with the learners present, that's something that can be arranged as well. And then finally, Minecraft. Now, this is a newer option that I have. I just recently became a Microsoft certified educator, and I spent the summer learning how to play Minecraft, but more importantly, how to facilitate a Minecraft classroom. So if that's something that you are interested in, or if you own an organization and you have some teachers who are interested in either learning how to play Minecraft and maybe in the future offer some classes, or if they already know how to play the basics of Minecraft, and again, they're really looking for more guidance on how to facilitate a safe and inclusive classroom in a mixed age range or whatever it is, I'm happy to offer this as a professional development course as well.